Hello UPC Squad, welcome back to our UiPath Board Central channel. Today we are going to confer about how to crack the Test Automation Engineer Professional Certification. So here, what are the tactics I have been followed? Then I'm going to share exam tips and preparation tips. I hope this video helpful in some way for your preparation. Let's get deep dive into the topic. For the exam preparation, there is one challenge. For the preparation, there is no much more platform is available YouTube, blog, series, question banks, and there is some limitation in this study materials as well, right? For that, we have some challenge to prepare and crack this certification. To overcome this kind of situation, UiPath dedicatedly providing amazing documentations, syllabus, and practice test, right? Which is more important than more than enough for the preparation. Okay, if you very good in the three different domains syllabus, then practicing the test, then more knowledge about the products, so about products test manager, orchestrator, explorer, CI/CD pipeline. So more than good enough, we can able to crack the certification. So here I am going to approach we are going to collaborate the both the things, theoretical and practical. Okay, so between the both, we are going to learn, then we are going to take the practice test, then we are going to attend the main exam. Okay, so here, first, as per the flow, first we need to go through the syllabus, then documentation, then practice test, right? So first of all, I'm going to explain how to download the syllabus from the UiPath Academy. Just go here, UiPath exam. Okay, you can see UiPath RBA certification is there, right? Just click here, three dots, then certifications. So here all the available professional certification will be available in this particular website. Just scroll down. Yeah, this one, UiPath certification professional, test automation engineer professional, right? So just click on exam description, which will contain the syllabus, then topic. So you can see, so this is the topic, so which will contains uh, qualifications, then what are the topics there we are going to cover, then versions, everything. Okay, I'm going to highlight important point. Okay, so from these four products only they are going to ask the question. The version will be 2023.10. Okay, test manager, studio, and test robots, and then orchestrator. Then from these four products, what are the topics will get covered? These are the main topics. Okay, how many topics? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 topics. From these 9 topics, what are the subtopics they will ask? You can see. So this is the main topic. Under this, these are the subtopics, 4 or 5. So if we learn about these subtopics, then main topics, that is more than enough. We need to cover all the subtopics available under the UiPath documentation. Okay, from these topic only they are going to ask the question. There is no out of the box content. Okay, just scroll down. So all the 9 topics they given the subtopic as well. Just we need to learn each and everything. For example, I will explain. Let's say UiPath test studio, test activities, then UiPath driven. For example, UiPath test shoot orchestrator. Okay, so just copy this. Go to the Google test orchestrator UiPath. Enough. Okay, you can see that orchestrator test case UiPath document portal. Then orchestrator test automation UiPath documentation portal. Okay, just you have to go with the topic wise. So as of now, for the example, I just chosen this one, seventh topic, UiPath test shoot orchestrator. Okay, just type UiPath test orchestrator. You will find this document. You can see that test shoot orchestrator. Click on plus icon. So this under this particular heading, what are the available topics? Test case, test sets, test execution, test schedules, test data queues, test data retention policy, right? All 6 things, 6 subtopics, you should know about that. Okay. Then For the preparation, then the main thing you can see under the each documentation there is one option, delivery and release. You can see under the delivery, automation cloud public sector, automation should standalone. So out of these four topics, one once you choose automation should, you can see we can able to find the version link, right? Then you can see that. So for this automation cloud, then automation cloud public sector, you will not be able to find the version, right? So based on our syllabus, our ultimate aim is we should focus on 2023.10, right? So once you launch the documentation portal, just go with automation suite or standalone, whatever it is. Here you can choose the release version. So based on our syllabus, we can choose the version. Okay. Once you choose, based on this particular version, what are the features, what are the key points, conditions, parameters available, all the important details will get covered under this documentation. Okay. Then once you landing, okay, don't miss any single line. Let's see. Test automation in Orchestrator allows you to distribute, manage your tests. In this section, you can learn how to get started with the automation, execute schedules, and manage test sets. Okay. So here, the first line you can see, test automation in Orchestrator to allow you distribute and manage your test. So the same things they will ask in a tricky way. What is the use of test orchestrator in automation should? So they will give the some different topics. You can see distribute and manage your test sets. So same way they will ask some more ads like storage and maintain in the test set, right? Or execute or scheduling the test set. So kind of you can see like all four options will be look like similar, but we don't know which one we need to click, right? But if you know this particular line, if you understand these particular things, distribute and manage your test sets. So this is the main important thing. If you find this particular point in your options, just select this particular option. This is the perfect answer for the question. So just copy this particular point, open any one of the based on your convenient document. For my preparation, I used Word document. You can see test orchestrator. I named that one, then copy it, right? So this is a very important distribute and manage, right? Just highlight in the bold. That's it. Then go with the second one, second line actually. Then second line. So this is not important. Then you can see to use test automation feature in Orchestrator for large scale testing, right? You require the test manager license. Okay, got it. So this is the one important things. Just copy that, then paste it here. So what is the important point here? Test manager license. So whenever you are reading this kind of each and every line, right, you need to frame the question. Okay, you need to generate the own question from your end. Okay, to automation in future orchestrator for the large scale testing, what kind of testing license we need? Robot license, non-production license, like unattended license, unattended license, test manager license, kind of things. Okay, if you can able to generate the questions based on the answer, you can able to easily answer for any kind of questions. The thing is all the keywords get memorized in your mind. So once you found this any kind of question, you can easily able to remember the particular answer. Okay, once you found any important points, try to generate the question from your own thought. It will be more helpful for you. Okay, yeah, so likewise you need to prepare all the content, guys, so it will be helpful for all the things like don't miss test case, test sets, right? You can add the subtopics in the same document. So once you prepare the document, let's say for example like this, so this is my old document like this, right? So you don't want to go go back with this website again. You can just read this document, then you can easily able to generate the keywords in your mindset. Okay, then you can easily remember those things. Okay, yeah, so this is the first approach to tracking the syllabus. Then based on the content, search in the documentation. Where is, you can see that. So now we talking about orchestrator, right? Yeah, orchestrator. You can see can execute and delete the test set, which means test set we need to learn. Okay, so go to the orchestrator. Your test set is there, right? Just click on it. So here you can see create, execute, manage. The same keyword available in the syllabus. Create, execute, delete test sets in orchestrator. So, so here don't miss any single line about the test set. Okay. Then just learn about test execution, test schedules, test data queue. What are the things available in the particular topic? Test orchestrator. Don't miss any single line. Make it as a documentation, highlight with the bold marks. Okay. Then same thing once you're done with that. For example, test orchestrator has done. Okay. Then what we should do? Go with the orchestrator with the real-time practice. I'll choose the orchestrator, yeah, which is already available actually. I think it's asking for no, it's directly getting logged in. Yeah. Yep, we can see that. I'm going to test it. Testing tab. So so this is the test orchestrator. How many tabs available? Test sets, test cases, test execution, test schedules, test data queue. So we should know about all 5 tabs. Then they will ask, how do you schedule the test set? Go to here, then they will give the options. Test schedules, then add test schedules, then what are the fields are mandatory. We should know about that name, then test set. Let's say they will ask under the add test schedule, what are the mandatory fields? Then we should know about these details, name, test sets, time zone. These three are mandatory. How we can able to find that? You can see that like this mark, right? Asterisk. If we found this is the mandatory field. Without this, we can able to add the test set. If this asterisk symbol is not there, this is optional. We can give the data or we cannot able to, like we don't want to give the data, right? So for each things for test cases, how we know they will ask the question how you can able to run the test case. Then test case execution. You can see that like my test case execution has been passed. Then once you click on the three dots under the more action, what are the features available? You can see details. Under the details, what are the options are available? View sessions, view logs, then re-execute, then cancel. So we should know about each details. Then only we can able to crack the real-time examination. So this is not a big deal. We can see the from the test orchestrator, most probably they will ask more than 6 to 7 questions. Okay. So just we need to concentrate about the theoretical knowledge, then these 5 tabs with the practical. Then same thing we can apply in the practical examination as well. Okay. So in our upcoming session, I will explain. We are going with the step-by-step examination, like where it is. Yeah, take free online questions. I will fill up this. I will tell you this is for the practice test. Okay. Email address. Pandix. Okay. So once you prepare the theoretical and practical, In the same page, you can take the practical test link. It will navigate to here. Then give the severe necessary details. Okay, start answer the questions. Yeah, now we are in the practice exam. So you can see what is the main role of test data queue within a UiPath. Got it? Exactly, you can see test data queue, which is available under the orchestrator. Just go here. Where is our website here? Test sets. You can see test sets, test case, test execution, test schedules, and test data queue. So they asked about the questions related with the test data queue. What was the question? What is the main role of the test data queue within the UiPath? You can see I will give one simple demo. Go to the documentation. Okay. So they asked about this orchestrator under the orchestrator test data queue. Just click that. You can see in the first line itself we have the answer. It's quite interesting, right? Test data queue provide a way to store and manage your test data. Okay, go with the answer. There is a multiple questions, which means multiple options. Create and execute, validate and authorize, analyze and interpret, store and manage. Once you read this option, in the practical level, you will know, okay, all four are similar only. We can create and execute, we can validate and authorize. It seems all four are okay. This is a relevant answer only. But what is the exact answer? This exact answer comes from documentation only. Okay, you can see what is the exact answer to store and manage the test data, right? To store and manage the test data. So what I given the idea, right? Once you hit this particular topic, which means parent topic, test shoot orchestrator, read all available lines, like all the subtopics, without ignoring any single line. For example, so this is the test data queue, right? So just copy this important point, then paste it under your documentation. Put the keyword. You can see test data queue provide to way store and manage. So you don't want to go back with the this documentation. Okay, this documentation. Just go through your document. Then once you prepare, go with the practical knowledge here. Just see, okay, test data queue, what are the options are available? Add test data queue. What are the mandatory fields? Then how to add the queues. Okay. Once you gain the practical knowledge, then come up with the questions here. Okay. Here you can easily, you can able to answer those questions. Okay. So first syllabus, then read the documentation and practical knowledge, then finally practice test, which will be more give the more confidence to crack the examination. Okay, so in our upcoming session I will explain step by step, which means here in the practice test almost 55 questions are available. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will explain with these questions with the syllabus, then theoretical explanation with the practical, in the practical what are the options are available, how it works. Okay, with the end-to-end clarification I will give. Okay, yeah, that's it guys in this video. I hope you found this video as helpful. So if you have any doubts, if topics doubts, I want to add some more points here, you can ping me in the comments. For the next video, I will update. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.